My name is Daniel Emmanuel Oku. I am also known as Dan OK. I am a movie director and also an actor. I am making this video because of a video clip that is circulating online. That clip is from a professional film project that I did sometime in 2022. I understand the concerns that these is raised, especially in my school community. I'd like to clarify something. That clip is from a scripted movie. It is not a personal content and it is not a skit. As an actor and educator, I value the importance of artistic expression. And I also like to explore complex themes. As much as I value my role as an educator and appreciate everyone who supports me out there, I'd like to remind you that I'm committed to maintaining professional environment and also ensure that my creative pursuits do not in any way compromise my responsibility as an educator. As much as I'd like you to understand this, I have been an actor for years before becoming an educator, and I have done some high stage plays. For instance, I've acted for Professor Wolusho Nkaju's birthday. I acted the role of Brother Jeroboam in the trial of Brother Jeroboam for him, and also again a second time when he was a book reviewer. It's the book He Dared, the story of Okuku Udo Okpabio, a personal story of the Senate President's grandfather, which was written by the sister. I was also a part of that drama. Those who acted in that drama, I acted as a colonial white man. I've also done some other stuff with reputable organizations like the NTA, Nigerian Television Authority. When NTA moved from using animal characters to portray stories in Tales by Moonlight, using and begin to use human characters, I was one of the very first few people who acted in Tales by Moonlight. And away from that, I have done some other Nollywood movies. I can mention them, Disguised, Tunkere, and so on. So it is not my first time acting, and it will not be my last time acting. What you should do now is support us. Go to Elegant Empire TV, subscribe to the channel and my channel, Dan OK, because you're going to see more of me. Thank you very much.